Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Wednesday, March 25th, 2020. It is 4:23 and 55 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is my perspective on COVID-19 pandemic. So let's get started here. Since this corona crisis, everyone has become infectious disease experts. Laugh out loud. Myself, I major particularly in microbiology pertaining to infectious disease, immunology, virology, epidemiology, biophysics, computer programming such as bio and neuroinformatics, including pathophysiology. First, I believe there is a large majority of people who believe depopulation speculation is the most credible part of humanity, thus the extermination of mankind. Moreover, in my perspective, I believe all life should be valued on every aspect of the entire face of the planet, and one can go further and mention universe. All life should be valued and respected, the God-given chance to the quality of life. As a philanthropist, I truly believe in the quality of my perspectives. A great majority of the population are ignorant towards the facts and figures, underestimating the current exponential death rate of the Corona 2020 virus. In my perspective, we will see more funerals than World War II. This is bigger than your grandfather pertaining to the mid-1900s plague. Furthermore, throughout my observations and analysis, my educated guess is that the number of funerals for Corona will be much more significant than the blinded media model presents on a global scale. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD on infectious disease and microbiology. I hope you enjoyed listening and have a great day.